Friends, there is nothing like that. Everyone is going to laugh at you. Friends, only those person will laugh at you who don't know what struggle, what difficulty you face in terms of learning this language, what challenge you face in order to learn this language. Friends, the scholars who know what challenge you have to accept, they will never comment you. They will always appreciate you, like, yes, you are doing something good in your life, and keep moving forward and do your best. So friends, never pay attention towards those people who are just demotivating you, like what things you have started to do. You are not going to gain confidence in this field. You are just going to become a good English speaker, so it is not possible for you. Don't think about, friends, don't pay attention towards those people comment. Okay, always focus towards positive comment. Just avoid, neglect negative comment. And friends, if you really want to become a good communicator in your English language, so this thing you have to do. Okay friends, this thing you have to do. Just always keep practicing. हमेशा practice करते रहो. Whenever you get free time, just take a book, any story book. You can take any magazine in English. You can read at least one passage. And not only this, you read and you left. After reading, just read only one passage, and after reading, just analyze in your mind. Just think in your mind. Just think like what you read, which type of sentence you found, which type of words, vocabulary you found. So on those vocabularies, on those sentences, you have to frame on your own sentences. So that's how you can practice of your English speaking. Friends, whatever you read and whatever you listen, you have to practice in your English speaking per day. अति की भला न बोलना, अति की भली न चुप, अति की भला न बरसना, अति की भली न धूप. यदि आप एक दिन खूब ज़्यादा पढ़ लेते हो और नेक्स्ट डे यू स्किप, सो देर इज नो बेनिफिट. कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. यू हैव टू डू योर रेगुलर स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस. आपको रेगुलर स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. फ्रेंड्स, आई एम अ होम मेकर एंड आई नो वेरी वेल लाइक हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. बट येस, कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जो मुझे नहीं बोलने आती है. मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं बोलने आता है, पर मैं अभी भी प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ. इवन नाउ आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग how to become a good communicator. Friends, practice पे सब डिपेंड करता है. Everything depends on practice. The more you practice, the more fluency you get, the more confidence you get, the more comfortable you would be in terms of speaking this language. So you have to practice. Overall, you have to do practice. Practice as much as you can, and just avoid those people. Just avoid those people comment who demotivate you. Friends, just focus on your goal. Like, your goal is what? Your goal is to speak in this language. You just want to speak in this language. You just want to speak in English language. So just focus on your goal and try to convey your message in English. Just because, friends, the main purpose of a language is to convey your thoughts and ideas to others. So if you speak in front of someone and he or she understands you, so definitely you are making progress in your learning. So just keep moving forward. Whenever you get a chance, whenever you see like, yeah, the person, yeah, someone who is sitting beside you, he is very interested or she is very interested in English language, so you can talk. You can just start speaking with them. And friends, friends, I'm telling you, not only I'm telling you, I just suggest you, if you get free time, so just start doing storytelling session practice. What you did from morning to evening, you can practice in your English speaking. Like, first of all, I got up in the morning. After that, I did so and so. Next, I did so and so. Then I did so and so. Finally, I did so and so. So you can practice of your English speaking of your daily routine. Really, friends, I'm telling you, there is only one way, there is only one exercise to speak English very fluently and confidently. Is you have to practice a lot of your English speaking, and there is nothing else except this. So just keep moving forward and keep practicing a lot. Whenever you get free time, just keep moving forward and keep practicing.